I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Zach Bryan's Pink Skies on guitar. First, you'll need to place a capo on the 5th fret of your guitar. The song primarily uses 4 simple chords: C add 9, G, E minor, and D. Focus on getting clear sounds from each chord and practice transitioning smoothly between them. This foundational step is crucial for mastering the song. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, down, up. Try to give a slight emphasis to the first downstroke in each measure to capture the song's feel. Practice this pattern slowly at first, ensuring each strum is even and consistent. Building a steady rhythm is key to making the song sound authentic. Now let's look at the song structure. The verse typically follows a progression of C add 9, G, E minor, and D. For the chorus, the order shifts slightly to C add 9, E minor, D, and then G. Practice playing through these sections repeatedly to internalize the changes. This will help you anticipate the chord switches and play more confidently. To truly bring Pink Skies to life, listen to Zach Bryan's original recording frequently to internalize the timing and nuances. Consistent practice, even just 15 minutes each day, will significantly improve your finger strength and chord transitions. Once comfortable, you can experiment with subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs, especially on the C add 9 and G chords, to add more of Zach's signature style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.